How did you sleep?
Okay.
Okay, very cold. I keep waking up.
Coffee or tea?
Tea, please.
Okay.
Service. 天暗，收拾到天亮，我们要出门了，离开这个 tent。
Sausage and boiled egg. Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you. Oh my god.
Soup?
That's terrible. Porridge. Eat. 你有很冷吗？还是你 OK？ 那个椅子很冷。
OK。
Electrolytes.
Electrolyte.
Yeah, electrolyte. Yeah.
These are 5 of our duffel bags and our backpacks are here.
What do you experience here?
Other trees.
This is a transition between from Montana forest or rainforest in the Moorland zone. Now you can see the first shrubs, short tree. So the way we go up, the trees are becoming short. Okay? So we can see exactly where we are going. Okay?
Okay. Which altitude?
2,800. Yes.
Day 2 campsite. Irawan camp.
Now we can start eating. Oh, sorry. You have been waiting? Yeah. No, please don't wait. Next
Yeah, you
time.
can eat.
Yeah.
Sleeping time. You insects. Insect park experience. How great.阿明，虽然我也睡得非常好，可是我醒了，所以你也要醒。出去 tea time， boy， 这个叫屁股。好冷啊！冷的。
I mean, at the full mountain, even later on.
This is also okay, bro.
Oh, 3 peaks?
2 peaks.
You only say 2.
2 peaks. So tomorrow, let me show from here. So the first peak, which is Shira Peak. Can you see the
Yeah.
small mount over there?
Yeah.
So that is a Shira Peak.
Okay.
Yes.
Do people climb that?
Yeah, normally we climb that. Yeah, it's like just, it's not quite high.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not quite high because it's like 3,800 ND. 84
Okay.
meter. No, not 84. I mean 74 meter above the sea.
你出来呀！那里 cooking there？
leek soup 还有
好香
鸡。How did you bring that up?
Pardon?
You brought that up the same way you brought the fish.
That's chicken.
Chicken. You just made the dough, right?
Yeah, that's the
Wow.
our table here. Our table here is very small.
But you do everything. You cut the veggies and all.
Yes. Ipe kijani. Nipe ya kupoka vyombo.
You're making 3 pizza.
Nasema je mzee wangu?
I can put an egg.
Kitambaa chako kimoja. Babu. Peppermint.
So, and for tomorrow, after having lunch and after chilling, I'm gonna introduce the team to you.
Nama wenzi, mlima mrefu sana.